Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how you can just fix your network crashing problems if your network is not properly working, and how you can just solve it by any simple settings. Before starting the video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe it first and like the video for more videos. First you have to just go to the settings option in your smartphone, then swipe down. You can search it also in the search bar. Swipe down, there is a general management option, just tap on it, and swipe down, there is a reset option, just click on it. You can see there is a reset mobile network settings. Click on it and then press reset settings. It asks for your current password or your old password. Just give it your password and then again press reset option, and now it is reset network setting resetted, and now it is done. Your network will automatically work better. I hope this video will help you. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel and like the video for more videos. Thanks for watching.